In this video, I will show you how to solve Snapchat My Eyes only not loading. Firstly, if you want to take over that problem to get to the full site, what is the most important thing right here? You need to take off right there. You need to simply get turn on and turn off back that Wi-Fi section. Also, the mobile data needs to be turned on and turned off. Yeah, just take that refresh on it. Then take it back, because as I said, this is so much important for you. Then you get off from your application, and after you get off from here, yeah, as you can see, the Wi-Fi section has been back in my priority. But now get back on the settings selections, and right from there, guys, you need to scroll down and go for applications. Right from here on the search box setup, which is on the upper side, you need to tap on it, and right here you need to type for Snapchat, and simply right from there, as you go on that selection, you need to tap on the third side, which is storage, and simply go on clear cache right here. After you clear the cache, you are getting the full site to clear that problem or simply fix it.